Hey guys! My name is Tila Postate and today we are doing the anime blush. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing or following me on Twitter, Instagram, links below. So you could be using these looks for cosplay, costumes, or just to be cute. And they're all super easy and they just look really cute. Oh. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so to start out with, I'm just using my Milani blush. You can just use any sort of pink or red blush. And I'm going to put this pretty high on the cheeks. I'm going to drag it right back to my cheekbone and a lot on the apples of the cheeks. And also my nose. So now I'm just taking a lip pencil and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw on 3 diagonal lines all going the same direction. You can do 4 or 5, but I find that 3 kind of works the best for that classic anime blush look. And I'm going to try and be as neat as I can and make sure that they're all going the same angle. And really important, I'm going to do this on the other side as well, but you have to make them go the same direction. You don't want them both to point inwards or point outwards. You want to keep them going the same way. And look, you're done. Just that easy. So this is like a super cute, very classic anime blush, but if you want to go that little step extra, this is a glittery eyeliner. This one is by NYX, but you can use any. And this is just a glittery pink liner, and I'm just going to put that right down the center of those little blush lines just to sort of glam it up a little bit, make it nice and kawaii and shiny, just for that extra kawaii factor. And you're basically done. Could always do an ahegao face, but no, let's not do the ahegao face. So I think this one is my favourite of the 3 looks just because it's so simple and super recognisable. It's that classic anime blush look. Okay, so moving on to the second look. I'm just going to take a peachy pink coloured eyeshadow and I'm just going to be dusting this over the cheeks. I'm going to try and make this as pigmented as I can, and I'm going to try and make it this sort of oval shape on the apple of my cheeks. I'm not doing a realistic blush for this. This is going to be sort of one of those classic like cute chibi type blush looks. It's going to look weird at first, but just go with me. And then what you're going to do is I'm just using a NYX pencil, but you can use any sort of white makeup, and I'm just going to do a little dot there, and then that's going to be the anime shine effect of the blush. So try and get the dot on the other side as close, like as in the same place as possible. And I've actually added just a smaller dot below just to make the shine look a little bit more realistic and glossy. And onto the third look, back to the blush. Now this I am taking in a completely not where you want blush at all, but for this I'm going under the eyes and over the bridge of the nose, trying to follow the nose and then the eyes and then up to the cheekbones. You're gonna look like you've got sunburn, but just go with me. And then I'm gonna darken it with a red eyeshadow just to make it like extremely high blush. And then I'm going in with a red liquid liner, and like we did before, just drawing diagonal stripes across the face, but except this time the diagonal lines, there's going to be loads of them. I'm just going to cover my entire face with that super blown out, incredibly embarrassed anime blush look. Possibly not one for everyday wear, but great if you're wanting to do a look for a photo shoot or something. And you can also draw the little blush lines on the back of your hands as well if you want to cover your face and still have that cute anime blush poking through. And that's it guys, that's all 3 looks. Then you can just have fun with them and be as kawaii or as embarrassed and blushy as you want to be for your costume or cosplay. So guys, there were my 3 different anime blush looks. I hope you liked this and found it fun. That has been everything from me today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!